Hello guys, I'm excited to bring this important information to you guys, and let me just tell you guys, it's a limited offer. If you miss it, you won't get it again. Okay, so we upgraded our what's it called, we upgraded our training schedule and our trading curriculum to include binary and forex trading. Okay, so which means that you can learn both of them in the basic class, then you now make a decision whether to go for an advanced class, okay, in the future, okay, maybe after the class. Okay, so we did that, and at the same time we also increased the entry fee to our classes, but we are offering those who are interested to learn binary and forex trading, the basics, the opportunity to sign up now at the rate of 5,000 naira or $13. So which means that you don't pay extra to learn more, okay? Rather you pay less, okay? Rather you pay less to learn more. But this is only available for this limited period of time. The class starts on 26th of October, and only those who participate or who paid will participate. So all you have to do is contact me. My contact information is in the description below for you to pay the registration fee of 5,000 or $13. You can also pay with TST for you to join the class. Now take note, okay? Once this class commences, we will start another recruitment for November. So in November, the actual fee you pay in November is going to be 9,000 naira or $20. Okay, so but right now you have the opportunity to sign up now to learn the basics of both binary trading and forex trading. Okay, to learn the basics of both of them, so are you acquire knowledge on both methods of making money through the forex market. Okay, so by doing so you empower yourself, but you have to hurry because this promo or this discount it will end on the 26th of October when the class starts. So hurry now. TST is accepted, cash is accepted, Bitcoin is accepted, Ethereum is accepted, even unit token is accepted, wrapped Bitcoin is accepted. Okay, so all you have to do is reach across to me and sign up. You have only 2 days to do those, or 3 days before the class starts. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Share this video with among your friends. Let them know about the latest development. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.